Want SHEIN to show product prices in a different currency on your Android phone? You can change the display currency directly inside the app, and the result appears across the shop page. Start with SHEIN open on the Shop tab. Notice that the product cards and the free shipping amount currently use $signs. Now tap Me in the bottom right corner to open your profile area. On the Me page, look in the upper right corner beside the scan icon. Tap the gear-shaped settings icon. This opens the page titled Settings. You do not need to open an order, your wallet, or a payment screen for this change. The currency control is part of SHEIN's general app settings. On the Settings page, look below the Account section. You will see Location, Language, and Currency. The value shown on the right side of the currency row is the option SHEIN currently uses. Here it reads USD. Tap the row labeled Currency to open the full list on the Change Currency page. Each row on Change Currency shows a 3-letter currency code and its symbol. The top entries include USD with the $sign, UR with the euro sign, and GBP with the pound sign. Swipe upward slowly to review more choices, including Canadian dollars, Brazilian reais, Mexican pesos, Saudi reals, and Japanese yen. Then swipe back to the top so USD and UR are visible again. To demonstrate the change, tap UUR. SHEIN immediately returns to Settings, and the currency row now reads UR instead of USD. Tap Currency one more time to verify the selection. A checkmark now appears beside UR on the Change Currency page. That checkmark confirms which currency is active before you return to shopping. Tap the back arrow to return to Settings, then tap back again to return to Me. Choose Shop at the bottom left. The product prices and the free shipping amount now use the euro symbol, which confirms that the change applied across the storefront. To recap, open Me, tap the Settings gear, choose Currency, and select the code you want. You can repeat the same route whenever you need to switch back. That is how to change your store currency on SHEIN for Android. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward Android tutorials.